Hey guys, it's the Beauty Benz and I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm going to be discussing acne.org and just where I'm at with my journey so far. As I mentioned in my last video, unless anything changed, I wasn't going to film too many updates because everything was just starting to get better, like look better. So I'm going to pull up my last video here to see. Okay, so the last video I filmed regarding acne.org product, it was in August 18th. So today is October 17th, so this is basically an exactly 2-month update. So for anyone who doesn't know the acne.org routine, I will link my first video below so you can kind of get an idea of generally what we do or what needs to be done for the acne.org regimen. So the first thing I want to talk about here is the products that I switched. As I said, you can reference my other video that I'm going to link and to kind of see what I was doing then. But so in the acne.org routine, I the Shea Moisture, Shea Butter, and Frankincense soap bar. I follow that up with the acne.org benzoyl peroxide, and then I follow that up with my eye cream, which I put, or my eye serum. I put that around my eyes and right here, anywhere where I think I'll get wrinkles, fine lines. I apply that product. Then I follow up with the Neutrogena moisturizer, and sometimes I use the glycolic acid mixed in with that, and then I end it off with the vitamin E oil that I'm gonna insert some clips. So I would say the only things that's changed about my routine since the last time I filmed was I've been using a eye cream more regularly, or eye serum more regularly, and I've also been using vitamin E oil, which is amazing. So in the acne.org regimen, they actually use jojoba oil, which I definitely didn't mind using, but it's expensive, and the vitamin E oil for me does the same thing. So I'm somebody with dry skin, so I do need to take that extra step to apply that oil. By the way, I don't have makeup on besides concealer, but I really don't have much for this video just because my skin's been doing great. Like, my skin's been doing good. That's why I didn't make a video. That's why I did a 2-month update, because I want to give it time to see. Like, literally, guys, I have not had a breakout since the last video. The last breakout I had is now this scar here. It's fading like much quicker than my scars normally would. Not using the regimen, and that's because the benzoyl peroxide has the bleaching agent in it. But yeah, this was literally my last big breakout. I might get smaller bumps here and there, but nothing that scars my skin or really disrupts my texture enough to where I feel, you know, like it's a problem. But I guess I'll go ahead and show you guys my results, how my skin looks. Okay, so mind you, I have concealer here, but this is the side of my face, right, guys? So we have some scarring here, no bumps, no acne, no pimples or anything, and the scarring is fading a lot. I'm gonna show you. I've showed you this side of my face. I'm gonna try and show you this side. I can't see if it's in focus. And then this is my forehead. So as far as the dark spots fading, I'm not 100% there yet, not where I want to be. That's just like, I just deal with hyperpigmentation. So if I break out, I get a scar, and these are just scars that are from very old breakouts, like, and they'd normally be probably like the color of this one, like much darker, and they're just gradually fading between the glycolic acid and the benzoyl peroxide. Okay, so if you guys want, I can film more of a tutorial. I'm just going to show these products, but, you know, comment down below if you want an actual tutorial of me using these new products. I'll probably do a 3 or 4 or 5 month update video. It's going to be a year soon, just so you guys can see how my dark spots are fading. But with how my skin's acting now, I don't think I'm going to get any more breakouts unless I skip the regimen. Which, by the way, not saying I recommend this, but even if I go a day or 2 without washing my face, like if that's just how life's happening at the time, or if I fall asleep in my makeup like after a night out, I don't immediately get a breakout or anything. In my last video, I did feature a Neutrogena Rapid Clear, it was like a little spot treatment. If I do get a breakout, I would definitely tap that up there just to avoid the hyperpigmentation and get it away as fast as possible. But the acne.org benzoyl peroxide has been doing a great job at just keeping me from getting breakouts. It's like no makeup skin, guys. It's like near perfect. I guess that's it. Like, I felt like this should be a long video, and it's not, which is great. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.